Starting a new project. The first step isn't pouring concrete, it's getting the right facilities in place fast. Outsource Site Services supplies and installs everything your site needs, quickly, professionally and nationwide. Our portable toilet hire keeps hygiene standards high and downtime low, with regular servicing and full support. We deliver top-quality site accommodation, from offices and canteens to secure heated drying rooms, all ready to use. And with complete site management, we handle layout, logistics and compliance, so your project runs smoothly from the start. The result? A cleaner, safer, more efficient site, managed by one trusted partner. Less chasing, less stress, more progress. Make your site work from day one. Call 0800 208 4884 or visit www.outsourcesiteservice.co.uk. Outsource Site Services, built for your build.